So karon guys is magpaligo ta sa tong mga okoy. Okoy! Okoy! No listen. Kalibang na siya da guys. So wala pa siya gihum sa tubig. Hi! Annyeonghaseyo! So maligo sa mi karon guys. Okoy! Uy. Nonchalant daw siya, guys. Butang mo siya danhag mga 30 minutes. 30 minutes or more like that, guys. It's supposed to be para makalibang siya. Pero nalibang naman siya, guys. Maybe he was so busog, that's why he libang already. So no need the water already. So but still soak it so that he can be okay and nice body and shiny and then shimmering splendid. So in it off.